Hi, my name is Dr. Jennifer Roth Burnett, and I'll be teaching the World Cultures Music and Consciousness class for the New College LifeTrack program here at the University of Alabama. This course will fulfill a humanities requirement in your New College LifeTrack. We will basically start with a survey of world music. In other words, we'll be looking at music cultures from around the world using a textbook by Jeff Todd Titan entitled Worlds of Music. This textbook and the accompanying CD set will get you in depth very quickly with the sounds and the techniques and the background cultural understanding for musics from all over the place, from the Middle East to East Asia to Africa to Eastern Europe to Native America to Latin America to the jazz and folk music of the 20th century here in the United States, and many others that I haven't named. So we'll be looking at music from all over the world, considering the instruments, considering the voices. We'll be considering the purposes of music and how music is taught or transmitted, and what its goals are within culture and what it expresses, and how it is structured. So we'll be considering all of these aspects of music, and in addition, you'll be doing an anthropological fieldwork project where you live right now. I'll give you lots of guidance on how to accomplish that project, but in general, I'll be asking you to locate a musician or a group of musicians with whom to discuss and interview and spend time in rehearsals or whatever that might look like for you. And you'll be considering music as much as possible from an insider's perspective. How is this music practiced? What are its main features? What are its purposes? What does it express? How does it fit into culture? What relationship does it have to the broader lives of the people who practice it? What are the styles involved? What are the instruments? What are the voices? And so on. So we'll be doing these fieldwork projects, and you'll also be using the anthropological methods and perspectives that you are honing to consider music in the world today. So between presidential elections and Occupy Wall Street and liberation movements such as the Arab Spring in the Middle East, there's lots going on in the world, and most of it has some kind of musical iteration, some kind of music that is associated with it, that expresses its values either directly or indirectly. And so that is always just very interesting to me, and I think you'll find it interesting as well. I really like technology, and I am setting up this course within e-learning, so it's a fairly straightforward system to use, and I'll help you learn to use it if you need help. We will use online discussion boards, which means that we will have some discussions ongoing before we ever meet together in the later part of the term. And that way we can get to know each other and use each other to grow and to learn and to bounce ideas off of one another as we learn and go along. We'll also be using some online resources such as the Library of Congress, which has many different resources, but one of my favorites right now is a set of wax cylinder recordings of Native American singers from the early 20th century, a very rare witness to a tradition that has already changed in many ways and in some ways has died out. Right there, captured for us and available online. We also have, for instance, Wesleyan University's catalog of musical instruments online, where you can look at musical instruments from around the world and hear them performed by native performers. It's a wonderful, engaging sort of catalog where you can go back and forth and really learn about the instruments and the building of the instruments and the playing of them as an isolated and focused kind of study. We will also use sources such as NPR, which brings us up to the minute engagements with performers from around the world. And one thing I'm especially interested in are the collaborative groups that you see, where you have a performer from a non-Western tradition and a performer from a Western tradition who are getting together and creating kind of a new musical mix that reflects the values and interests of both of those traditions. And the new music that is coming out of that kind of collaborative teamwork in music. So I really look forward to the term with you. I look forward to meeting you in person when we'll have guest speakers and guest performers and lots to talk about in the way of our anthropological fieldwork projects. And so I can't wait to see you both online and on campus. Thanks.